What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell. So whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on. And hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here, King Hussle, King Hussle 2.0, King Hussle X1M, the Hussle family, King Hussle Crazy Reactions, and turn motivation into memes. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom in the description, all my social media links will pop up. Alright, got a lot of fake social media platforms. I got a lot of people making these fake pages, scamming people, acting like me. So please, 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 get a FaceTime verification call or video to make sure you see this face. Make sure you're doing legit business and you're getting what you paid for, right? And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only. I'm not telling anybody to do anything. So let's get this thing started. So I know I'll be talking about a lot of loans. I know I talk about a lot of credit cards. I know I talk about a lot of not grants, but lines of credit. But today I'm going to be talking about grants. Yes, grants for self-employed business or startup businesses, or self-employed employees who have their own businesses who need grants. And I know I don't make a lot of videos on grants because when it comes to grants, which is free money, yes, not no loan, grants is free money. It's a lot of requirements, it's a lot of deadlines, it's a lot of qualifications, it's a lot of things that come into part of getting grants and applying for grants, that sometimes you just got to be right on top of the game. When the grants come out, you got to apply for them and have certain business plans and certain things that I know some of you guys don't have yet. And that's why I make my videos, so I can help you guys get the things that you need so you can start applying for these grants and getting applied. Because you need some grants, you got to have blueprints for your business plan. Some grants you got to have websites. Some certain grants you got to have certain things. So today I'm going to be talking about this grant from the National Association for the Self-Employed, all right? And they're giving out $4,000. Yes, $4,000 to small developed grants for small businesses, basically, for new businesses. And I want to give people the opportunity to be able to have a chance to be able to apply for this grant. You know what I'm saying? So today I'm going to be talking about how you can get a free, not no loan, but a grant, which is free money granted to you for your business, up to $4,000, as long as you qualify, as long as you meet the deadline, as long as you know what I'm saying, you getting what you need. You can apply, you can be approved for $4,000. All right, so today I'm gonna show you where to go to try to apply to get your $4,000. Hurry up, don't miss out. Without further ado, let's go check out the National Association for the Self-Employed. Go get your $4,000. All right, so the NASE, the National Association for the Self-Employed, all right, grow grants. So need $4,000 to help your business grow? Apply for a business development grant from the NASE worth up to $4,000. If you're a member, log in as a NASE member, then come back to this page for additional instructions below to apply for the NASE growth grant today. All right, so make sure you become a member. Make sure you sign up before you apply for this grant, and then you'll be all right. So you could receive up to $4,000 for your small business through the NASE growth grants program. Since 2006, the NASE has awarded nearly $1 million to members just like you through the grants program by providing small business grants. Grants can be used for marketing, advertising, hiring employees, expanding facilities, and other specific business needs. You can be the next grant recipient. So members apply now to see past growth grant recipients. Growth grants are awarded to the sole direction to the NASE. Unfortunately, not everyone who applies will receive a grant. The NASE has the sole direction to make no grant or present a higher or lower amount than requested. The NASE, in the sole discretion, may award less than the totals indicated be potentially available. The NASE will not discriminate on the bias of race, religion, national origin, sex, age, or Disability. Decisions of the selection committee are final and are not subject to appeal. No application feedback will be given. All right, so when it's application deadline, so grant applicants are reviewed quarterly based on the following schedule. All right, completed application received in January, February, and March will be reviewed in April. Applicants received in April, May, and June will be reviewed in July. So apply right now. This is for the second quarter. Apply right now. First, second, third, fourth. It's fourth quarters that you can get applied for this grant. This free $4,000. So the first quarter passed. So for the second quarter, it's April, May, and June. You applied and they review it in July. So April, May, June, you apply. In July, April, May, June, you apply, and then July, they approve to see pick who get the grants. Completed applications in July, August, September will be reviewed in October, and the completed applications received in October, November, December will be reviewed in January the following year. All right, so what are the eligibility requirements for this $4,000 grant? The following members may apply immediately: annual members, veteran members, silver members, paying annually, gold members. All right, so make sure you go sign up to become a member so you can apply for this $4,000 loan. All right, so the following members may apply after 90 days of membership: monthly members, silver members, paying monthly. What are the selection criteria? Review identifiable business needs, detailed use of the proceeds of the grant, potential of the grant to satisfy the identified business need, the potential impact of the grant in overall business growth and success. How long should the business plan be? I told y'all be needing business plans, and sometimes you don't even know what that is. It should be as long or short as it needs to be. There is no hard or fast rule. Some past grant winners have had very short business plans with their applicants, while other winners have had very long business plans. Simply provide the best business plan that will demonstrate to a review committee what your business does and how it will operate. All right, so that's what a business plan is for people who don't know what business plans are. You got to show these type of things if you really want to get approved and really want to get loans and grants and type of shit like that. Well, my bad, I was cussing. Well, get grants. All right. What are the responsibilities if I am chosen as a recipient? The use of the funds may be consistent with the written statement of the grant use. Recipients must maintain records showing use of the money. The funds may not be used to pay debt or rent or mortgage payments. Recipients agree that the NASC has the right to publicize names, business names, and amount awarded and photographs of recipients. The NASC requests that the recipient place the NASC member badge on their recipient website for 1 year after the growth grant check is received. NASC member badges can be funded here. All right, so I told y'all gotta have websites and all that. And a lot of people don't be having websites. A lot of people don't be having the things that you need to be applied or get awarded for these grants. So y'all gotta get y'all business in order, get it together, and y'all start having better opportunities in getting applied for these grants. All right, so how and when are the checks issued? Grants will be funded within 30 days after all signed usage and required regulatory documents are received by the NASC. Our funds receive taxable. Tax laws vary by country. We recommend consulting your tax advisor for more guidance. How do I apply? And it tells you right there, get started. Not a member, at the NASC, we realize that the needs of all businesses are not the same. This is why we have created multiple memberships to select form that fits your business, home, medical needs, and more. We would like to invite you to view our benefits at a glance to help you make the informed decision and maximize your investment. All right, so this is where you go to get started, get signed up, become a member, and get your $4,000 loan. All right, so grant, free money. All right, so National Association for Self-Employed giving out $4,000 to business growers. Business growers, small business, or people who need to grow their business. So go sign up, become a member, apply for the grant, win the grant, get you some money. All right, so without further ado, let's talk about the National Association for the Self-Employed. All right, there you guys got it. The National Association for the Self-Employed, they're giving out $4,000. All you need to do is become a member. Once you become a member, you can apply for the $4,000 grant. If you win the $4,000 grant, all you do is apply by the rules of winning the grant, and congratulations. All right, so a lot of people will be asking me about grants. A lot of reasons I don't make grant videos because I understand that my video is to help people grow their business, help them establish their business, and help them get their business going. And people who win grants, who get grants, normally have good established businesses and business plans that they can demonstrate and present to these companies that are giving out these grants. So I'd rather help you guys build your business, establish your business, and come up with these business plans before you try to go get these type of loans, these type of grants that you guys are looking to get, so you can have a better percentage of getting approved for the things that you need. All right, so make sure y'all tapping in, man. Make sure y'all coming to get y'all gems. Make sure y'all really paying attention to these videos, not just watching, but listening in here and what I'm saying, because if you listen in here and you connect the dots from different videos, I guarantee you, you'll be in a position that you need to be. You'll be in a position of cleaning and building your personal credit, leveraging it towards your business credit, being your own personal guarantor, and getting the major big loans that you guys need to get and want to get to become multi-millionaires, right? Because you do know if you get major funding, you get 2 loans for $500,000, you have $1 million in loans, which means you got $1 million in business funding that you can go invest and turn that $1 million into $2.3 or $2.5 million or $3.5 million. And now, hey, that's how it goes. So you just got to have the business mindset, the business mentality, a mature mindset, a mature mentality, and I promise you, I guarantee you'll be successful out here, all right? So let's start paying more attention to our credit, our personal credit, our business credit, especially our business credit, because that's what's going to get us rich. That's going to get us where we need to be. Our personal credit is just going to help us get it more easier on the business side. So let's get into it, all right? So shout out to everybody that's been tapping in, my old subscribers, my new subscribers, my old fans, my new fans, my old supporters, and my new supporters, because without y'all, there'd be no me. Y'all motivate me to keep going. Y'all motivate me to keep dropping this sauce. Y'all motivate me to keep you entertained, all right? So shout out to y'all. Also, anybody looking to get credit lessons, you looking to build and clean and build your credit, $600. I'm going to show you how to do that. But if you want me to do it for you, add trade lines and all that, it's going to start at $1,500. All right, so clean and build credit lessons, $600. I'm going to teach you how to do it yourself. If you want me to do it, start at $1,500. All right, so make sure y'all tapping in. Also, make sure y'all tapping in and getting y'all FaceTime 101 unlimited gems, $1,200. Unlimited gems coming with CPN, documents, how to make thousands of dollars a day off social media, how to invest, how to do this, how to do that. All right, so unlimited gems. Make sure y'all tap it in. Y'all, it's unlimited gems, unlimited gems. So y'all ain't got to ask me to come with it. I post every video, every thing that I post. I always tell you, unlimited gems, what it is. All right, so please stop DMing me asking what the unlimited gems come with and this and that. All right, y'all grown. I ain't got time for that. Also, make sure y'all tap in and get y'all mentorship. Mentorships is $2,500. Teaching y'all everything. We're going to make passive income together. We're going to make YouTube channels together. I'm going to teach y'all how to finesse the algorithm. I'm going to teach y'all how to really get views, how to really run up the bag, how to get money, how to invest, how to be blessed, credit, CPNs, DW information, everything that you need to know in the mentorship. Show you how to get some money. All right, take you under my wing. We're going to make money together. Channel start making $10,000, you get $5,000, I get $5,000. Start making $20,000, I get 10, you get 10. Easy as that, all right? Also, make sure y'all booking y'all seat right now in the crypto tour, in-person unlimited gems, $3,500 in-state, $4,500 out-of-state. All right, so you come in-state to me, it's going to be $3,500. If I got to come out-of-state to you, it's going to be $4,500. $500 deposit. The rest of the money will be in person, all right? So make sure y'all got your money together. Also, book your seat right now on the crypto tour, in-person unlimited gems. I will be in Miami, Florida, South Beach, Memorial Day weekend, the 26th through the 26th through the 29th. So make sure y'all book y'all seats right now. 10 seats available, $3,500, $500 deposit, $3,000 when you meet in person. All right, you might get a chance to end up in one of my skits, blogs, movies, interaction with the fans, music videos. You never know. So make sure y'all tapping in, man. Make sure y'all book your seat. 10 seats available on the crypto tour, Miami, Florida. We invading South Beach, 26th through the 29th. Book your seat right now. $500 deposit. The rest of the money we meet in person. All right, $3,500. Also, still looking for people for the production company, rappers, actors, models, content creators, producers, cameraman, you name it. All right, so make sure y'all tapping in. Music reviews is $200. You want me to check out your music? You want to get signed? You want to come get your chain? You want to come get your watch? You want to, you know what I'm saying? Tap in. Music reviews, $200. I'm going to check you out. Models, tap in. Any beautiful lady, around the world. You ready to elevate. You ready to take it to the next level. You ready to build your platform and brand. You got a good head on your shoulders. You don't got no bad attitude. You can't be corrected. You can't be directed. I ain't got time for that. So tap in if you're ready to work. Also, cameraman, you in Houston, Texas, you in Texas or surrounding areas, you actually a videographer, means you go out and you shoot the video, you go back home and you edit the video, you got a 4K or better camera, you know how to mask, you got good editing skills, you got the FX effects, all that. Tap in, let's win. Content equals views, views equal money. Easy as that. Let's elevate and win together, all right? So make sure y'all tapping in, make sure y'all coming to get y'all gems, make sure y'all follow me on all my social media platforms. Make sure y'all run up the followers on all my real IGs, King Hussle X1M and the real King Hussle X1M. Make sure y'all follow me on all my social media, all my YouTubes, because I'm finna drop that video for the giveaway soon. So you missed that, that's on you. Just like y'all missed the $5,000 giveaway I did on my Telegram. Make sure y'all go follow me on my Telegram. Make sure y'all got y'all money together too. No window shopping, no handouts, nothing for free. All right, YouTube is about the most information y'all will get for free. Other than that, when you write me, be ready to handle business. Know what you want to pay for and have your payment ready on your Cash App balance, or you ready to go to Walmart and pay the fee. All right, so make sure y'all tapping in. Make sure y'all hit me up. Y'all know how I get down to any of these videos. I'll see you at the next. Peace.